Want to master French verbs? Today we're learning the 15 most common French verbs that you'll use every single day. These verbs are essential for basic communication. Let's start. Verb number 1, être. This means to be, the most important verb in French. I am French. Je suis français. Je suis français. Verb number 2, avoir. This means to have, essential for daily life. I have a car. J'ai une voiture. J'ai une voiture. Verb number 3, faire. This means to do or to make. Very versatile. I make breakfast. Je fais le petit déjeuner. Je fais le petit déjeuner. Verb number 4, aller. This means to go, essential for movement. I go to Paris. Je vais à Paris. Je vais à Paris. Verb number 5, pouvoir. This means can, or to be able to. Super useful. I can speak French. Je peux parler français. Je peux parler français. Verb number 6, vouloir. This means to want. Express your desires. I want coffee. Je veux du café. Je veux du café. Verb number 7, devoir. This means must or to have to. Important for obligations. I must work. Je dois travailler. Je dois travailler. Verb number 8, dire. This means to say or to tell. Essential for communication. I say yes. Je dis oui. Je dis oui. Verb number 9, prendre. This means to take. Very common in daily life. I take the metro. Je prends le métro. Je prends le métro. Verb number 10, savoir. This means to know facts or how to do something. I know French. Je sais le français. Je sais le français. Verb number 11, voir. This means to see, essential for describing what you observe. I see the Eiffel Tower. Je vois la Tour Eiffel. Je vois la Tour Eiffel. Verb number 12, venir. This means to come, perfect for invitations. I come to the party. Je viens à la fête. Je viens à la fête. Verb number 13, mettre. This means to put or to place. Very practical. I put the book on the table. Je mets le livre sur la table. Je mets le livre sur la table. Verb number 14, parler. This means to speak or to talk. Perfect for conversations. I speak French. Je parle français. Verb number 15, manger. This means to eat. You'll use this every day. I eat breakfast. Je mange le petit déjeuner. Je mange le petit déjeuner. There you have it, the 15 most common French verbs. Practice conjugating these every day, and you'll be speaking French fluently. Which verb will you practice first? Comment below. Subscribe for more French lessons.